back with yet another POV drive, guys. We almost ran into someone because I don't know where their head is when they're driving, but we are back with yet another POV drive. I'm headed to meet my homeboy Jay, C250. He got a C250 under the name C250KE. I'm headed over there to meet the guy. It's been quite a minute since we linked up with the homie. Well, as you can see, it's quite chilly, drizzling. We're on the short trains right now. The weather is quite cold, but yeah, this is the good weather for driving, you feel me? The colder the better. So I can't wait to see what the day has in store for us, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Look at this Golf R. So tiny. I've never seen this one before. So tiny. It looks so good. Is it a two-door? Yeah, I guess it's a two-door. It's a Golf R, a blue one. It looks dope, bro. Yeah, it's a two-door. Got exhaust as well. Oh, she sounds great. Look at her. She look good though. She look good. And she's low as fuck. She look good. It's a Golf R. I gotta be careful with Missy on this weather because we're rear wheel drive, so we gotta be extra cautious. I need a Red Bull, you feel me? I feel like my energy is quite low today. Oh my days. Yo, bro. Yo.
Yo, where you at?
I'm at Gedorai. It's the map is saying 27 minutes.
Oh, 27 minutes.
27, yeah.
Okay, no problem.
You guys are still there?
Yeah, this brother is top, bro. We're taking some nice content.
I'll be there in a jiffy.
No problem.
Today's on a Sunday as well, so the traffic is not mad. I love Sundays because, hey, on a weekday driving is hectic, you feel me? On a Sunday it's chill, there's not too many cars on the road, the roads are clear. So yeah, I like Sundays, you feel me? Weekdays are hectic, my bro. It's like traffic everywhere. Is also coming out as well. It's looking good today. It's a good weather for driving and linking up with a homie. road you gotta be careful, bro, because not everybody is sober-minded as you. Nigga coming from the end lane all the way to the other lane without looking, bro. I feel bad when people, you know, flick their lights and I don't see it. It hurts my heart, bro. Cause it's us.
I'm trying to add them to the list like the deluxe. Hey.
Yo, what are you saying? You good?
How you doing, bro?
You're doing good, man.
Man, this car, man, I've seen it everywhere.
Appreciate you, man.
Bro, do you think?
You wanna see the thing?
Yeah, hold on.
Let me do with the phone. Yeah.
Yo. Yo, this is crazy, no. Ni noma sio? Ni nyama hiyo. Ingine inuka bado.
Acha nikuwekea hata uone.
Ona iko sio.
Leo umepata view once.
Ana.
There we go.
Ona iko. Shit. He's taking it. You don't see me next to me with those bags, bro.
So this is gonna be. There's gonna be me coming, the one we took, and then me pulling behind him.
Yeah, so first
Then
he's
getting-
gonna start off like this. He's gonna pull up somewhere, he's gonna text you where you are.
Yeah,
Then I'm gonna cut to you driving like
Yeah,
the
yeah,
way
yeah.
you took.
yeah.
Then you're gonna pull up behind him, then that's when the dab up is gonna happen. Then those shots I've been taking in between, that's gonna happen after the dab up.
Yeah.
Then now from there, I'll either take rollers of you two side by side, not side by side. I need to be in one of your cars taking rollers of the other, so I'll take turns.
Okay. Done shooting the content for IG and some reels and stuff like that. So we're headed to somewhere to eat. He say Burger Hut or something. So that's where we're headed to eat because I am hungry as fuck, bro. I feel so hungry. I haven't eaten anything today, and the time is 5:30. I haven't eaten nada. So we do have that. So we're headed there to eat, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that. I'm holding my GoPro by hand because I lost my mount for the GoPro. So I'm stuck holding it for now.